Apollo 11, Voyager 1 and 2, Hubble Space Telescope, Mars rovers, Space Shuttle program, and many. These are the most popular missions of NASA. But how NASA is always successful? What is the story and strategy? And at last, what is NASA's aim? We will learn in this video. So let's begin. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, has a rich history that begins with the dawn of the space age in the mid 20th century. NASA was established on July 29, 1958, as a response to the Soviet Union's launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, in 1957. The United States recognized the need to accelerate its space exploration efforts and consolidate various space programs under a single civilian agency. The National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics (NACA) was transformed into NASA with the goal of advancing space technology and exploration. NASA's first human spaceflight program, Project Mercury, aimed to put an American astronaut into orbit around the Earth. On May 5, 1961, astronaut Alan Shepard became the first American in space aboard the Freedom 7 spaceflight. This was followed by John Glenn's historic orbital flight aboard Friendship 7 in February 1962. Project Gemini built on his achievements of Mercury, focusing on developing techniques for space travel and rendezvous. It involved the first American spacewalk by Edward White in 1965 and the first manned docking of two spacecraft, Gemini 8 and Agena target vehicle. Arguably, NASA's most famous endeavor, a Project Apollo, aimed to land humans on the moon and bring them safely back to Earth.
First, I believe that this nation should commit itself to achieving the goal before this decade is out of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth.
On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 mission achieved this goal with astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, becoming the first humans to walk on the lunar surface.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Stayed in place. The the LEM was in good shape and exhibited no damage from the landing or the descent.
5 more successful Apollo missions followed, with the last one, Apollo 17, in 1972. NASA launched Skylab, the United States' first space station, in 1973. Skylab provided valuable scientific research opportunities in Earth orbit until its re-entry in 1979. Additionally, the Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975 marked their first joint space mission. This space research was valuable scientific research opportunities in Earth orbit until its re-entry in 1979. Additionally, the Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975 marked the first joint space mission between United States and Soviet Union, symbolizing detente during the Cold War. The Space Shuttle program began in 1981 with the launch of Columbia. The reusable spacecraft revolutionized space travel, allowing for the deployment of satellites, scientific research, and the construction of the International Space Station (ISS). Tragically, the Challenger disaster in 1986 and the Columbia disaster in 2003 claimed the lives of 14 astronauts, highlighting the risks of space exploration. Now let's talk about how NASA became so successful. From its inception, NASA had a clear mission to explore space, advance scientific knowledge, and pioneer new technologies. This clarity to purpose provided direction and motivation for the agency's activity. NASA received significant funding and support from the United States government, especially during critical periods such as Cold War and the space race with the Soviet Union. The backing allowed NASA to undertake ambitious projects and initiatives. NASA attracted some of the brightest minds in science, engineering, and technology. Its workforce consisted of highly skilled professionals who were passionate about space exploration and dedicated to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. NASA collaborated with industry partners, other government agencies and international space agencies to leverage resources, share experience, and achieve common goals. This collaborative approach maximized the agency's capabilities and facilitated innovation. NASA has been at the forefront of technological innovation, developing cutting edge spacecraft, robotics, materials, and other technologies. Many of these innovations have had far reaching applications beyond space exploration, benefiting various industries and societies as a whole. While space exploration inherently involves risks, NASA has implemented rigorous safety protocols and risk management strategies to minimize the likelihood of accidents and ensure the safety of astronauts and missions. NASA has effectively engaged the public through outreach, education, and communication initiatives. Its mission and discoveries have captured the imagination of people worldwide, fostering support for space exploration and inspiring future generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers. But always success doesn't win. Sometimes failure attacks the plan. Few missions do not work as per planned. NASA has experienced various setbacks throughout its history, with notable failures highlighting the challenges of space exploration. One significant failure occurred on January 28, 1986, when the Space Shuttle Challenger broke apart 73 seconds after liftoff, resulting in the tragic loss of all seven crew members. The failure was attributed to the O-rings in the shuttle's solid rocket boosters, which failed to seal properly in cold weather conditions, leading to the catastrophic failure. The disaster led to a re-evaluation of safety protocols and engineering practices within NASA, emphasizing the importance of thorough testing and adherence to safety standards in the future missions. Yes, I am talking about STS-107 mission. It was the tragic mission of the Space Shuttle Columbia which disintegrated during re-entry on February 1, 2003, leading to the loss of all seven crew members. The failure was caused by damage to the shuttle's thermal protection system, inflicted by a piece of foam insulation that broke off during launch and struck the left wing. The crew members were Commander Rick Husband, pilot William McCool, payload commander Michael Anderson, mission specialist Kalpana Chawla, David Brown, and Laurel Clark, along with the payload specialist Ilan Ramon, the first Israeli astronaut. Now, after looking both sides of NASA's successes and failures, we can say that NASA never gave up in its all phases. They have thoroughly improved their missions, maintaining the same level of confidence in themselves and the US government. Overall, NASA's success stems from a combination of vision, leadership, innovation, collaboration, and perseverance, as well as the dedication and passions of its workforce and the full support of the public and government. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. So make sure to drop that like and subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.